Yo, YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff. You know, I should stop doing it like that. Hey, YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and I'm coming right back at you with yet another sneaker unboxing. Now, you may have watched the Dunk High Smoke Grey. We got lent these, which is the Blazer by our friends at Decade in the GU1 Massive. So let's go and have a look at the details over here, SJ. So what have we got? We have got a Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid ISO, obviously orange label. They are the smoke grey. Now they're a UK 11. That makes them a US 12 in men's sizes. That makes them in women's sizes a US 13.5. I still don't understand that, but that's another thing. And the code is DB3027001. SJ, back to the middle. Now, genuinely, I haven't looked at these yet. Now, SJ, I thought SJ might be into these, but she's not feeling them because of the black midsole. She likes more of a contrast, but we shall see. We shall see. Oh my word. Oh my word. So we're just going to put that there. I can't throw the box like I normally throw it because these are going to go back to Decade. Oh, SJ, focus. Boom. So what have we got? We have got zoom. I think we need to go to another camera, SJ. Like before, the smoke grey is so smoke-like. Smoking. So there you go. What do you think, people? Again, I'm just gonna loosen them off ever so slightly. Ever so slightly. Because I want to bring that in so you can see. Come on, focus. Zoom. So you can see around there. Unfinished tongue, as you'd expect from the mid. Lovely, lovely suede on them. I'm going to bring that right in. Lovely suede. Absolutely nice. Now, you can see that turning now. Obviously, you know, gum sole, but the midsole totally black. My word. Now, I'm telling you, right, I'm feeling the suede. And it is that tough SB suede that you know is going to last. You know that's going to last you. Oh, SJ's telling me to lift it higher. You know what? My shoulders are absolutely killing me. I'm so old. Back to the middle. So, again, orange label, smoke grey, like the Dunk High, which I'll put a thing here. Or wherever it is, somewhere here or down here, wherever it is, it's there if you haven't watched that video. They are a super solid shoe, super solid. Like let's just, like, it's a blazer. It's got all the padding that you want from an SB blazer. And I'm just going to take the paper out ever so gently there, ever so gently. I don't want to really mark these too much. But I don't know if I did this. I did this, didn't I? But like, you can really start to see the padding there. It is so that's the thing, everyone, that I really like about an SB mid blazer compared to the normal Nike blazer, is that they just protect the ankle so much. And we've all had it. We've all had it. A runaway board smack in there. Right now, SJ's got Solent blazers on today. And let's just do, like, no padding. They are an SB. These are an SB. Padding. Both mids. Now, obviously, this is an 11, so it's a bit of an unfair comparison. There you go, SJ. Oh, she thought I threw that at her then. But what do you all think? Now, I would say that this is the perfect shoe to skate and destroy. You totally want to do that. Like, you could wear these every day. Good price, good solid price. Now, I can tell you in Decade and Guildford, they've definitely got these. And if you are on the larger size, he's definitely got a singular pair. Singular. And that would be this pair. But I'm just looking, like, if there's any glue marks. I don't see any necessarily. SJ, I'm sure if SJ was looking at this, she'd have spotted about 10 things by now. And of course, people, if you don't know what we do around here, we do tend to do these sneaker unboxings. Occasional cinematic on foot things. occasional in the Pint of Stuff style. And if you don't know what that is, I'll link to a video again here somewhere, or down below somewhere, and you'll see that style. But we also stream every Sunday. That's Sneaker Streaming Sundays, and that's at about 8 p.m. in the UK. That's about 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 3 p.m. on the East Coast, probably about 9 p.m. if you're in Paris, and about 5 a.m. in Tokyo. And I know some of you listen and watch from Tokyo, but come and join us, because there's a bunch of like-minded people like yourselves who are into shoes and just kind of chilling and stuff. So, short video review, short little look. We'll put a couple of pictures on the gram, although they won't be on foot. They'll just be gentle side-by-side pictures, gentle pictures, you know, for gentle folk. I don't know where that was going. I have no idea. Oh my word. Anyway, people, let me know what you think. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget, I haven't said this for ages, hit that notification bell, because we do tend to upload videos reasonably regularly. And leave us a comment below. What's your favourite so far? Your favourite orange label? I asked that on the previous Dunk one. Are you more the Blazer person, or are you a Dunk person? I know, like, Dunks have all the hype, but Blazers are quietly catching up this year. Quietly catching up. So let us know. But anyway, in the meantime, don't forget to look out for yourselves, and I will catch you in another video.